Tired of trading time for money? What if you could peek inside the actual strategies I use to earn income on autopilot? Would you take the leap? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into the fascinating world of passive income investment strategies. But first, what exactly is passive income? Simply put, it's money earned with minimal effort on your part, allowing you to enjoy financial freedom while focusing on what you love. This concept is significant because it empowers individuals to build wealth over time without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. In this video, we'll engage you with real-life experiences from seasoned investors who have successfully navigated the passive income landscape. You'll learn about various strategies, from real estate to dividend stocks, and gain insights into what works and what doesn't. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your investment portfolio, stick around to discover how you can start generating passive income today. Understanding passive income. Passive income refers to earnings generated with little to no ongoing effort, allowing you to make money while you sleep. This contrasts with active income, where you trade your time and effort for money, like a traditional job. The benefits of earning passive income are substantial. It can lead to financial freedom, giving you the flexibility to pursue your passions without the constant worry of bills. Imagine having a steady cash flow that supports your lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore various sources of passive income, including real estate investments, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, and creating digital products. Each of these avenues offers unique opportunities to build wealth over time. So, stay tuned as we break down these strategies and help you understand how to start your journey toward financial independence through passive income. Real estate investments. Real estate is one of the most popular avenues for generating passive income, primarily through rental properties. This can include single-family homes, multifamily units, or even commercial properties. The key to success in real estate lies in understanding the importance of location and conducting thorough market research. A prime location can significantly impact your rental income and property value over time. Additionally, effective property management is crucial for ensuring consistent income. This includes screening tenants carefully, maintaining the property, and responding promptly to any issues that arise. Consider hiring a property management company if you prefer a hands-off approach. In this video, we'll delve deeper into these aspects, providing you with actionable tips and insights to help you navigate the real estate market and maximize your passive income potential. Stay tuned for expert advice that can set you on the path to success. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a powerful strategy for generating passive income. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that return a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of regular cash payments, known as dividends. This means you can earn money simply by holding on to these stocks. One of the key benefits of dividend investing is the potential for compound growth. By reinvesting your dividends, you can purchase more shares, which in turn generates even more dividends over time. To maximize your investment, it's essential to select reliable dividend stocks. Look for companies with a strong track record of consistent dividend payments, solid financial health, and a history of increasing dividends. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and strategies to help you identify the best dividend stocks for your portfolio, setting you up for long-term financial success. Stay tuned. Peer-to-peer lending, peer-to-peer, P2P lending, has emerged as an innovative way to generate passive income by connecting borrowers directly with individual investors through online platforms. These platforms facilitate loans, allowing you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. While the potential rewards can be attractive, including higher returns than traditional savings accounts, it's essential to understand the associated risks, such as borrower defaults. To mitigate these risks, diversifying your loans across multiple borrowers is crucial. By spreading your investment across various loans, you can reduce the impact of any single default on your overall returns. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of P2P lending, including how to choose the right platform and strategies for effective diversification. Join us as we uncover how this investment strategy can help you build a steady stream of passive income. Creating digital products. Creating digital products is an exciting way to generate passive income, allowing you to share your knowledge and skills with a global audience. Popular types of digital products include ebooks, online courses, printables, and software applications. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly without the need for ongoing effort. However, to achieve success, effective marketing and sales funnels are crucial. A well-structured sales funnel guides potential customers from awareness to purchase, maximizing your conversion rates. Additionally, leveraging platforms like Udemy for courses or Amazon Kindle for ebooks can significantly enhance your reach. These platforms provide built-in audiences and marketing tools that can help you sell your products more effectively. In this video, we'll dive deeper into the process of creating and marketing digital products, offering tips to help you turn your ideas into a sustainable source of passive income. Stay tuned, building a blog or YouTube channel. Content creation through blogging or starting a YouTube channel can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. By monetizing your content through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships, you can earn money as your audience grows. The key to success lies in selecting a niche that resonates with your interests and has a dedicated audience. Engaging with your viewers or readers is essential. Building a community fosters loyalty and encourages repeat visits. Additionally, creating evergreen content, topics that remain relevant over time, can provide a steady stream of traffic and income long after the initial publication. In this video, we'll explore strategies for selecting the right niche, engaging your audience effectively, and crafting evergreen content that keeps generating income. Join us as we guide you through the exciting journey of building a blog or YouTube channel that can lead to lasting financial rewards. Investing in index funds. Index funds are a popular low-maintenance investment option that allows you to invest in a broad market segment without the need for constant monitoring. These funds track specific market indices such as the S&P 500 by holding the same stocks in the same proportions as the index. One of the key benefits of index funds is diversification. By investing in a single fund, you gain exposure to a wide range of companies, reducing your overall risk. Additionally, index funds typically have lower fees compared to actively managed funds, making them a cost-effective choice for long-term investors. When selecting the right index funds for your portfolio, consider factors such as the fund's expense ratio, tracking error, and the specific index it follows. In this video, we'll provide insights and tips to help you make informed decisions about investing in index funds for a stable and passive income stream. In conclusion, we explored various passive income investment strategies, highlighting the importance of diversifying your income sources for financial stability. From real estate investments and dividend stocks to peer-to-peer lending and creating digital products, each method offers unique opportunities to build wealth over time. We also discuss the significance of effective marketing, niche selection, and creating evergreen content for long-term success. Now it's time for you to take action. Consider which strategies resonate with you and start implementing them to create your own passive income streams. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your financial journey. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.